Hi there. How are you, sir? It's so good to see you. It's been a very busy time. I'm not
How are you?
surprised.
Oh man, you look amazing. How's the vision?
Good.
Excellent. Thank you so much, so much.
Oh, you're very welcome.
This is so beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, kind of unusual, right? But anyway.
It is.
Yeah.
Oh my God. And you know Tom's story? All our patients here are stories, right?
Yes.
Yes.
You visited my surgical suite when I had just made it,
Mhm.
and you had not had surgery yet. You came and just saw everything without being my patient yet. Remember? Remember?
Yeah.
I had just seen you. And you saw the whole suite and everybody, and you remarked that night, I remember. What did you say? You said, throughout the party, Doc, all your patients had noticed one thing.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's true. They're not wearing glasses, right?
Yeah.
And he was still,
Yeah.
he had not had surgery yet. He was a horrible case.
Oh, thanks a lot.
No.
Well, other than that, I was doing
2
good.
millimeter pupil, horrible bad cataract, hanging cataract, and we
Yeah.
did his surgery. And before that, he's seen the suite and he's seen all the patients. We had a party that night, remember?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Right. Yeah. It's good to see
Good
you.
to see you, man. 2020, amazing.
Yeah.
It's amazing. With her vision,
Yes. Yes.
with her Gulani vision, she's making a gift for us. And this is exactly the color of our Christmas tree, our logo
Yes.
colors, huh?
That's why I chose it because
You guys are amazing.
because and I have the tree skirt. I didn't bring it because I thought I would being imposing. But
No, you never. My patients are never imposing. Oh, wonderful.
Okay.
She matched it to our tree. Wow. And what I appreciate, she knows our
Yes.
color of our Christmas tree, our
Yes.
logo colors, huh? Olga, with your new vision, I'm so proud of you. You came all the way.
And what you did today.
Olga, have a super Christmas and a great New Year. Been an honor. Been an honor. Make sure she's flying out on time. Ken, how are you? Good. Good. Great to see you, man. How's Texas? Wonderful. You still changing the world?
Yes, try.
Oh my God. You guys don't have to all this, man. I just love it.
I love giving.
How's my vision?
It's good.
Yes, amazing. Still hunting deers. Perfect.
I'm fixing to show you a picture of the trophy I got this weekend.
Really? Yes. God, look at this. Bun cakes.
Look at this. 3 years I've been chasing him. I got him. That's he's from, those are native to India.
Oh my
A
God.
black buck.
He's a sharpshooter now. Amazing. Amazing. And Ken, this is what I'm leaving to teach actually starting tomorrow. It's amazing. Traumatic cataract.
Really.
2015 vision. I love it.
Can I go with you?
All of you come with me, always. Yeah, you guys are amazing. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
It's always good to see you.
All day patients have been coming. You know, my patient did the decorations for the tree and she came with the blue and gold because they know the logo color. Like, I cannot thank you all. You guys are just amazing. Ken,
Appreciate you.
do your amazing stuff. Keep changing the world.
Do but reciprocate. Thank you so much. That's for you to take some time off just for you, okay?
I'll do it. Oh, you guys are amazing.
Oh, doctor.
Seeing my patients traveling back all the way is enough for me. We don't need all this. Chris, you don't have to do these things.
I know I don't, but you're the best doctor in the world. Come on.
Oh, Chris.
Just for you when time and circumstance permit, okay?
Chris!
It has a nice orange flavor for after dinner.
We'll have it together.
All right.
You travel back and again, give my love promise too. Have a
Thank you
great
so
New
much.
Year.
All right, you do the same. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.